Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter. I got an Amazon package. Let's open it up and check it out. All right, so here it is. Amazon package came in. I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna check it out. We're gonna go through what it is. So this is a gift that I got from my son. My son is 2 years old. Oh, there's a couple things in here. One of these things I didn't expect to come today. So this, I'm going to do a video on another day. I was wondering why it was such a big box. I'll do that video later, because this is the video I was prepared for. This is the TEPSMIGO Dinosaur Play Mat. It's a play set for kids. It recommends that the age be 3 years and older. Like I mentioned, my son is 2, but he's got similar toys and I think he'll be fine with this. If we do, we'll monitor him though, and if we do notice that there's something that he's putting in his mouth that he shouldn't, then we'll be taking it away. Or if I open it and I realize these are too small. But let's see, this dinosaur playmat is a little kit. Like this. So here we have some dinosaurs on it, and we have a playmat screen. So let's open it up, we'll look at it, and then my grand plan is gonna be, right now he's taking a nap, so I'm gonna set it up for him, and then when he wakes up from his nap, he can play with it and we'll get some video of him playing with it and seeing how he's enjoying it. So just looking at it right off the bat, I noticed that there's a pack here. You can see. These dinosaurs are smaller. These I'm gonna keep away from him. Because these are, I mean, I don't think he would be able to swallow these, but he might put them in his mouth and chew on them, being that they're small. If he chews a piece off, it could be something that he swallows. So these I'm gonna definitely, these smaller ones, I'm gonna put aside until he's a little older. Now these bigger ones here, I don't have any issue with him playing with these. These he's not going to be able to do too much with. He's not going to put them, I mean, he might put them in his mouth. He puts everything in his mouth, but we got all kinds of different dinosaurs here. I don't know all the different names of the dinosaurs, but there's a ton of different ones. He's going to love this because he loves anything animals, anything that is dinosaurs he likes. He knows how to say the word dinosaur. So yeah, he's gonna enjoy this, I think, for sure, when he gets up. So we got all these different plastic dinosaurs that are pretty good size. I mean, there's a lot of them. They probably won't all fit perfectly on my little tray here, but we can see all these. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 big dinosaurs. And then here we have another 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 small dinosaurs as well. And then in this set also comes this little play mat, which is great. Something you can put down that they can play on. And you can see on the mat, one side is just white. The other side here has got like rivers and streams and land masses and things like that, bridges, areas that he can play with. So this will be a fun toy for him, especially in the summer when we go outside a lot. We have a deck out back and we usually put down a blanket for him to sit on, but this is something that he could actually sit and play on at the same time. But as I said, I'm gonna set this up in a little bit and we'll get some reaction to him when he wakes up from his nap. So yeah, so there's all that. It does come with this nice little travel bag, which is good if you're going on the go. You can put everything in here, take it with you. Let's go over some of the specifics of this. Oh, there's a couple things in here I missed. There's a thank you. Oh, that was nice, a little thank you. And a customer support card that you can fill out and do something with. And there's also a small little booklet in here. Boom. that goes through and it teaches the kids the different types of dinosaurs that there are, so they can learn the names of the dinosaurs. For a 2-year-old, that might be tricky, but as they grow, they're gonna wanna know what dinosaur is which, and you can teach them about the different dinosaurs. So let me give you the specifics about it. This, as I said, is the TEPSMIGO. You can see the name, TEPSMIGO Dinosaur Play Mat. It comes with 24 realistic looking toys, realistic looking dinosaurs. I mean, I guess realistic is kind of, some of the colors are very bright. I'm guessing that's not the realistic part, but they look like the dinosaurs that I know. And it was $21.99, but it had a really good rating. Although it was a new item, it was only had a couple ratings. It did have a 5-star rating. So a good rating on Amazon. And yeah, so I'm kind of excited for him to wake up and get this set up. This was a Prime item. It was here in a couple days. It didn't take that long to get here. So next, we're gonna go to him waking up and playing with these toys. Well, there you have it. He seems to really enjoy playing with it. I think it's a good buy. It's going to keep him busy for a while. He has some other dinosaur toys too that he had been given over the years and we bought, so he can play with those with it as well. So yeah, it seems like he really likes it. So again, it was the TEPSMIGO Dinosaur Toy set, Playmat. Came with 24 dinosaurs, plastic dinosaurs, and it was $21.99. It was a Prime item, and it had 5 stars. So thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy your summer and stay safe.